Hey, welcome back to my channel. SKF BR930553 wheel bearing and hub assembly. SKF wheel bearings and hub units are original equipment on more than 90 million vehicles worldwide, more than all other brands combined. SKF has pioneered every major advance in wheel end technology since the invention of the automobile, and our commitment to innovation continues today. All replacement hub units are not created equal. Don't compromise your customer's vehicle safety, always install SKF premium quality hubs. For more than 100 years, the world's engineers, technicians and mechanics have turned to SKF for the best possible solutions. Available for a wide range of applications and needs, SKF bearings and seals are designed and manufactured to the highest quality standards, ensuring long life and safety. Manufactured to precision specifications using premium materials for problem-free operation. Made from heat-treated high-carbon steel for superior strength. Sealed for life design ensures problem-free operation. SKF quality and design that you can count on. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.